Here's a quick rundown on ratchet straps. Attach hooks on both sides. Take the strap, thread it through the middle slot. Pull it back over through the top. Then make sure you pull it tight. Push the ratchet down and crank it until it's tight. To loosen, push unlock lever. Snap all the way open, pull up, and there you go. What do you do when you have this much slack? Try folding it in half about 3 or 4 times and click it up to 90. Now thread it right through here and then close down the ratchet. That's not going anywhere. Did you know there's a much better way to connect ratchet straps? Try this way instead. Push open here and thread the hook through, and then do the same thing on the other side. This is the most proficient way to connect ratchet straps. It's the safest and strongest connection you can make. Here's a clever way to fold ratchet straps. Fold over the hook and wrap around tightly about 2 feet from the end. Take the other side, fold twice, and back on top of itself. Click up to 90. Take the tail and thread it through the center. Pull through to here. Then put back up on top like this. Take the other piece of the strap and wrap it around, and then thread it back through that little center piece. Ratchet it down tight. That's so much better.